Here comes the ruler of WWE, Oba Femi. Oba Femi dominated Brock Lesnar at WrestleMania 42. He retired Brock Lesnar. And now Oba Femi wants Roman Reigns and his World Heavyweight Championship. Oba Femi cleared that in this year he will defeat Roman Reigns and become the new World Heavyweight Champion. And now Femi continuing his dominance in Monday Night Raw with Oba Femi Open Challenge. And the ruler is here to conquer everyone. But will Oba Femi conquer the tribal chief, or he has to lose to Roman Reigns? We will find out later in this year. But right now Oba Femi picks up Otis, puts him down. He is a true powerhouse, a raw strength of this monster, Oba Femi. And now he is setting Otis at the second rope for the power bomb. Oba Femi has strength, power, and also a good brain. Oba Femi with a fall from grace, and he wins the match. Femi picks up another victory here, defeating Otis. And now Oba Femi picks up Grayson Waller. Fall from grace, cover again, and a victory again. Oba Femi wants victory after victory after victory, and now Jacob Fatu attacks Roman Reigns. Tongan death whip, and now headbutts to the tribal chief. Roman Reigns in so much pain. On one side, Oba Femi dominating WWE, and on the other side, the tribal chief is getting dominated by the Samoan werewolf Jacob Fatu. Fatu with the world championship in his hand. And now Oba Femi, backbreaker to the American Nightmare Cody Rhodes. Oh, pill throw. Femi is unstoppable. Cody Kata. Forearm. A suicide dive. Clothesline sends Cody outside. Uppercut. What an uppercut by Femi. And now Femi puts down Cody. Super Cody Kata. And here comes the psychopath. Here comes Drew McIntyre. McIntyre attacks Cody, and now Femi destroying McIntyre. Oba Femi. Oh no! Cody Cutter by the American Nightmare, the undisputed champion. And now the ruler, the future world champion, with a choke slam to Drew McIntyre. And now Oba Femi, very angry. Destroying the security guards and officials. Big boot. Double clothesline. Oh no. Wow, what a strength. And now, oh God, Oba Femi dominating Brock Lesnar. The beast is shocked. Clothesline, nobody is getting down. Oba Femi again shocked Brock Lesnar. Clothesline by Oba Femi, and Lesnar is down this time. Oba Femi telling Lesnar, come on, let's fight, man. And now Lesnar with an F5. The Titan of WWE looks to dominate the ruler. But Oba Femi back on his feet. Shock slam by the ruler. Oh God. Oba Femi is so tough, so powerful. And now picks up Lesnar. Fall from grace. Cover. Obafemi defeated Brock Lesnar. And now Reigns smashing Punk with the steps. Oh, Superman punch by the Tribal Chief. Reigns is not done yet. Reigns is unstoppable. Another Superman punch. The king of WWE on the hunt of the best in the world. Another Superman punch by the Superman of WWE. Reigns. And now picks Punk up. Oh God! Puts him down through the announcer's desk, and now Punk gave Reigns the same medicine. And now Punk in trouble. Reigns, a super spear by the Superman of WWE. Cover. Roman Reigns wins the match. Oh no. Penta fighting Rusev. Kick. Super kick. Nobody. Oh no. Rusev caught Penta. And now a super kick. Incredible action here on Raw. Penta is feeling it. Going to the top rope. Oh no, Ethan Page puts him down. Machka kick by Machka Man. Rusev. And now Ethan Page went away. Penta and Rusev in singles action. Do subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more incredible wrestling action like this. On a forearm this time. Headbutt by Penta. And now Penta. Cross body. Incredible action. Flatliner by Penta to Rusev. Look at the replay. Penta with a cross body and then a kick stuns Rusev, and then this flatliner. Perfectly done. Done with perfection. And now kick to the head of Rusev. And now Rusev saying no. But it's a drop kick to the gut. Penta going for the cover. But Rusev kicked out at 1. It was not even 1, but this time roll up by Penta. Penta defeated the Machka Man Rusev. And this time Rusev just got shocked. He lost the match. Penta, oh no! Rusev attacked Penta. After the match, Rusev is not happy. He is very angry, definitely. The Machka Man Rusev is looking to crush Penta. Rusev wants the Intercontinental Championship at any cost, and now Ethan Page is also here to help Rusev destroying Penta. Oh no! The Young OG is here. The Young OG with a flying clothesline. Oh no! Kick by Penta, and now Chevan Evans. Fly high, Young OG with a OG cutter. Takes out Rusev. Look at the replay of how Rusev got destroyed by the Young OG Chevan Evans. And now the King of 619 is looking to do what he is at his best. And now Rey Mysterio defeated El Grande Americano. Oh, Penta gets attacked. Close line. Another close line. Kick. Flatliner. Do subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more incredible wrestling action like this. Penta is super duper luchador. Oh. And now Penta. Subscribe for more.